Hey man, you know where you watch?
Dancehall skilla.
Wagwan my people, Dancehall skilla there again. Big up and respect to each and everyone. Alright, now in this video, I want to talk to you about a person who goes by the name of Jelano Ramney. Now the reason why I am talking about the person who goes by the name of Jelano Ramney is because Jelano Ramney said some things in an audio that gave me the understanding that he said that he do not feel safe and that he fears for his life. You see it? Now, some of you, my viewers and subscribers, might have heard about a situation where it is said that the person who goes by the name of Jelano Ramney was wanted by the police within the country that is known as Trinidad and Tobago for the death of a police officer who goes by the last name of Gilks. Gilks was killed while he was on patrol somewhere within the country of Trinidad and Tobago sometime within the month of April the year 2022. Now, Jelano Ramney, who was wanted by the police within the country that is known as Trinidad and Tobago, handed himself over to the police. Sometime after Ramney handed himself over to the police within the country that is known as Trinidad and Tobago, Ramney was released from police custody. And a TAPS report revealed that Gilks was shot in the back of his head. Now, for you to get a better understanding about this whole situation, I'm going to present an audio to you, my viewers and subscribers. And in my point of view, this audio was made before Ramney handed himself over to the police within the country that is known as Trinidad and Tobago. And the person who you can hear talking in this audio is said to be Jelano Ramney. In the audio, the person said some things that gave me the understanding that the person gave an account as to how Gilks was killed, and that Gilks was killed by a police officer. The people, listen to this audio carefully. Observe. Now, in the audio, the person said some things that gave me the understanding that the person gave an account as to what happened on the night when Gilks was killed, and that is a police shot Gilks. Viewers and subscribers, here's the audio. Listen and observe.
Good night, Mr. C.J. Williams. Your client here, Jelano Ramney. I got your information, and yes, I will gladly give up myself, and I really want to give up myself. I have 2 little kids. You know what I mean? I need to, clear my name with this. But on the contrary, we also know the system we have here. We know that it is very hard for me to go up against 4 to 3 police officers without solid evidence proving that it wasn't me.
Listen.
And this evidence is there. We know this. How do we get this evidence? How do we look? How do we even start to acquire this evidence?
Listen.
Police complaints. Go and get the correct autopsy. You understand? That is the way. And I can tell you from right here and on a video on the 22nd, Friday 22nd of April, I had just leave my 2 kids home with my cousin-in-law. Came down the hill. Whilst coming down the hill, I was going by the shop to buy some things to cook. It was close a little bit afternoon, about after 1, 2 o'clock. I ran into 4 police officers. The first officer that approached me, he was about 3 meters for the most, 3 feet. He ain't even 3 meters, 3 feet away from me. He said, "Hey, don't move." As he said, "Do not move," I put my hands in the air one time. I said, "Boss, don't shoot, I have nothing." Just so, "Boss, don't shoot, I have nothing." In those same exact words. He said, "Oh, sure, don't move." While he doing that, the colleague to his left was coming up the stairs, started shooting without hesitation, without even saying don't move. He just started shooting. I started breaks and shots. I was between him, some plants, and a tank stand behind me, and he in front of me, and the rest of our colleagues there. He started shooting, while within him shooting, made the first police officer that approached me begin to shoot. And then when we had a WPC to the back, she began shooting too. And it's only until the police officer to the left of the first police officer that approached me shot his colleague and saw him dip forward is when he dropped his firearm. His colleague turned and said, "Hey, he hit me." That was his last thing, he hit me. After that, I started running. I realized that this was my little escape here. They're trying to kill me for no reason. But then looking back, the same police officer, the one who began shooting, he's picking up shells while the other officer is checking the colleague. I ran for my life and knowing that they are trying to kill me for so long, because I complain to you all the time, Mr. CJ, about the harassment of police officers. We have lawsuits against them that's supposed to start May the 5th. I came out of jail the 14th of January. I didn't go nowhere. I had a little job and I now came out. That job gets slowed down. I don't work. I have my own business, I have my own company, registered. I do my little jobs. Most of the time I am home right now taking care of my kids. I am willing to give up myself, but I need a guarantee from you that yes, police complaints are going to get the proper forensics exam. They're going to get the pathologist to do it the correct way, the legal way, and not the corrupted illegal way. Because we know the system we hear it. We know it. We know the system. You told me when we filed the lawsuit, these police will be coming at me. You told me to don't let these police catch me under fire. And why did you tell me this? Because we know the system we are up against. So just give me a guarantee. Meaning, yes, I know forensics going to give the correct report. You're not going to sit down in jail just so, and I will give up myself as fast as possible.
Alright, my people, let me say certain things, you see? I am the kind of person who respect the rules and the laws of any country that I'm in, viewers and subscribers. Yes, I do. You see me I say? Because I do not think it is right for a person to disobey the rules and the laws of a country that you're in. See? But based on some things that the person said in the audio that I just presented to you, my viewers and subscribers, I got the understanding that at some point he said that he ran. So I'm going to ask you, my viewers and subscribers, do you think he did the right thing when he ran? Do you think so? Let me know what you think in the comment section. Now, a news article that I read said that in July, a high court judge will hear the 2 lawsuits filed by Jelano Ramney alleging the police are targeting him. See, the news article said that Ramney was released from police custody on the advice of the Director of Public Prosecutions. See? Say it. Alright, so another part of the news article said that the police had been questioning him in their investigation of the murder of the police officer who goes by the last name of Gilks. See? The news article said that Gilks was shot while working with members of the Western Division Task Force on April 22nd, the year 2022, somewhere within the country that is known as Trinidad and Tobago. See? The news article also said that Gilks' colleagues claim that Gilks was shot by gunmen in an area that is located somewhere within the country of Trinidad and Tobago. And the police launched a manhunt for Ramney. Now, the news article also mentioned that Ramney turned himself over to the police, or handed himself over to the police, viewers and subscribers, and that 5 days after, he was released from police custody. See, Ramney's false imprisonment lawsuits have been listed for hearing before a high court judge. And I also got information that Ramney was released from prison sometime earlier this year on gun possession charges, viewers and subscribers. You see me I say? Yeah. Yeah, man. So, I just give information according to where I got information. You understand me, viewers and subscribers? You see? Yeah, I heard an audio that is said to be from Romney that gave me the understanding that he said that he do not feel safe because of certain things that happen, viewers and subscribers. You understand me? And I also saw pictures on social media that shows the person who goes by the name of Jelano Ramney. I also saw pictures on social media that shows the police officer who had been shot and killed, who goes by the last name of Gilks. I also saw a picture on social media that shows a person holding something that is believed to be a gun. Now, some allegations have been made on social media about the picture that shows a person holding something that is believed to be a gun. I will not say who that picture actually shows, viewers and subscribers, because some information that I got about that picture that shows a person holding something that is believed to be a gun are some unconfirmed information. You understand? However, I would like you to take a look at this picture right here that shows a person holding something that is believed to be a gun and tell me who do you think that picture shows, alright? Let me know in the comment section of this video what you think, alright? Here's where I'm going to leave it. Big up and respect to each and everyone. Until the next time, my name is Dancehall Skilla. I'm gonna big up on yourself, you see?
Hey, my youth, you know what you watch?